is never seen before moment of truth. Just pulled it off the printer, bonding it. That is tighter than a glove, but it's on there, dude. It shoe fits. So then I made this piece. So what we're gonna do with this piece is we have a USB-C kind of cigarette lighter. So then that also fits perfectly. And then right now we can't decide if we're gonna put the power mirror switch in here, so we can have 2 switches. So I'll kind of bond in there like that. We'll do that, and then getting ready to wrap this, and then wrap this in leather and go like that. So yeah, these hinges, I'll have to cut down these hinges, and then it'll just kind of like a
very cool.
So yeah, it's starting to shape up. We got this piece in paint today, so we should get that back fairly shortly. Yeah,
it's good.
Happy with the fitment right there. Could ask for that any better.
And I missed a lot of the construction on these door panels, so you're gonna have, these are LED lights, and you made these clear acrylic. So those are gonna sit inside here and illuminate the door pockets.
Little rails, and will kind of be angled like this. And just have a light that goes down. This will be perforated. This will be regular leather. And then
and where's the light gonna shine through it?
Light's gonna shine through this acrylic.
Oh,
so
okay.
All along here, and then our
because it looks black because there's nothing back there now.
Yeah, and then I'll go pull out the completed. So this is what it will look like done. So you got your perforated, which is gonna go right here. Regular leather, and then there is light.
The LEDs under there.
All the way under there.
Oh,
so
cool.
Butt up like that. So
Ah,
it'll turn out pretty neat.
very cool. Got a little metal wire inside there. You staple it. So it'll be stapled down on the car. And then it folds over and hides the staples. And on these, we're going to have these painted, but normally this will just sit over the end like that and hide it. Oh, got it. Gotcha. That makes sense now. Oh yeah, we gotta look at whatever bolt we see.
Yeah, this side's good. It's that the one on that side. Alright, and then you get down on your knees and you get ready to come from the middle, because I gotta be where you're at to hold the bumpers.
You going above this?
Yes, there you go from the outside, man. Yeah, put your bolts on the outside in, put nuts on the inside.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.